guys,
welcome to Let's Play RC, and today we will be doing a review on this little CR12 truck.
Now that we've had a chance to run it, we just wanted to give you guys our thoughts. First thing I'm going to say about this truck is I think it's a great little starter trail crawl truck for a young person.
Yeah, it's a the body is based on a F150. I like that body. I think it looks really well. It performs really well, actually.
For a small truck at a lower cost point, it actually it's actually quite capable stock.
Yeah.
So that's why we say it'd be good for a young person. First off, it's small and light.
Yeah, like.
So I mean, you know, a lot of trucks can be quite heavy. When they die, they're kind of a a pain to carry home or whatever.
For example, the X-Max.
Yeah. So this truck is quite light and easy to handle for a small person. It's fairly inexpensive as far as crawler trucks go. And it is a hobby grade truck, so therefore there's still a lot of options for upgrading it.
Yeah. I think it's also a very realistic truck. The tires aren't the best tires, but they're okay. The tires look really real.
And actually, Dylan has a little video I'm going to put out here of him messing around with some different tire combinations. But then we also discovered we have a set of tires kicking around here that we bought for a 110 scale truck. But I misread when I bought them, and the tire themselves are pretty small. Just to give you guys an idea of the difference in size between this 112 scale CR10 and a 110 scale crawler, that's
a CR12, just so you know.
CR12, sorry.
CR10.
Sorry,
it's
CR12.
Okay.
So that gives you an idea of the difference in size. So this truck, you know, we got to start getting scales out to figure this out. But I'm guessing this truck's probably 7 or 8 pounds without batteries. This truck is about maybe 1 pound to 2 pounds tops without batteries. So, yeah. So, now the one thing we did mention in the unboxing is the mirrors. We still haven't put them on. Dylan actually already broke a door handle off, so we think that the mirrors are probably not a great idea. And then when we did the unboxing, we talked about how the truck comes with pre-installed headlights. Now, the problem with that is they were hardwired. So we soldered in a new plug because
that way the body can come off.
That way, yeah, the body's not dangling while you're trying to wash it or do any maintenance on it and whatnot. So we put in a plug and while we were doing the plug, we decided, hey, let's put in some rear lights. So we installed some rear lights on the back here, and we're going to do a little video soon on how we did that, if you guys want to check it out to see what we did for our idea. Dylan, you got a battery handy? Oh yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
And we can just kind of show off the new lights a little bit here.
While you're doing that, I do have to say one thing. Another thing that is a little, it's okay it's fine because of the price, but it is one thing, it isn't waterproof. It's water resistant.
That's, yeah.
So,
there's the rear lights we put in.
Over there.
And the front ones still work, so there we go. And now
the front ones do come stock.
And now we can unplug it though, so we can remove the body.
Yeah.
So, overall, it's a fun little truck, and like I said, quite capable. Obviously, I mean, it's pretty durable. I mean, this truck doesn't go fast, but it's not meant to go fast. It's a trail crawl truck.
But just in case it like fell off of something, it is pretty like, there's like a real metal front and rear bumper on it. Like,
well, they're not metal, they're plastic.
Oh, well, they're like a really hard
But they're
plastic.
solid. They're solid.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I think we talked about a bunch of it in the unboxing video. Like I said, this was more just to give you guys a quick idea of our thoughts after we run it. You know, the thing is, you could pull a truck out of a box all day long and go, oh, this is beautiful. But until you actually drive it and run it, you don't actually see what it can do. So
yeah. Another thing, I like these nice running boards. They're really nice, and if there was real people, there'd be lots of grip for them to walk on to get in the truck.
yeah.
So, yeah, but overall, I think it's a really good truck for the price.
Yeah, well, considering that this truck costs about half of what this truck costs, like I said, I mean, and here in Canada, everything is expensive in the RC hobby. Most things are made in the U.S.
Yeah.
Or overseas. I mean, we can get cheaper stuff from China just like everybody else. But you know, just the cost of things in Canada is just crazy in the hobby. So this guy's a little more budget friendly. Like I said, if you want to get your kids, or you are a kid yourself and you want to try out crawling, if you don't want to spend an abundance of money on a 110 scale truck such as this guy, this is actually a pretty nice little option. Like I said, check out that run video. You'll see some of the capability it has in the snow, because it is winter here right now. So,
yeah.
But that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, give us a like. If you don't like it, I guess give us a don't or a thumbs down. Hopefully you guys don't have to do that.
Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as hit that notification bell. That way you guys don't miss out on a thing. Until next time, get out and play.
See you guys later.